Today on Uncovered, we'll explore the rise of the big boy locomotive. It is the largest operating steam engine in the world, and its history is absolutely incredible. Let's dive into the story.
The Big Boy is a massive piece of American engineering. Right now, engine number 4014 is touring the country to celebrate America's 250th birthday. But this train is not just a museum piece, it is a living, breathing machine that tells the story of how we conquered the steepest mountains. In this episode, we will uncover how these giant locomotives were built, why they ruled the rails, and how one dedicated team brought this mechanical giant back to life after decades of silence.
So, what exactly is a big boy? It is a class of steam locomotive built by the Union Pacific Railroad. These engines are 133 feet long and weigh an astonishing 1.2 million pounds. They were designed specifically to haul heavy freight over the Wasatch Mountains in Utah and Wyoming. Unlike standard trains, they feature articulated design, meaning the engine has a flexible joint that allows its massive frame to bend and take sharp curves along the mountain tracks. To understand the scale of this machine, imagine a building laid on its side and put on wheels. The Big Boy produces 7,000 horsepower, which is like strapping the engines of 20 modern sports cars together. Back in the 1940s, moving heavy supplies across the country was incredibly difficult. The steep mountain grades required multiple normal trains working together. The Big Boy was created to solve that problem by doing the work of several engines all by itself, completely changing how goods traveled. Let's look at the timeline of this mechanical marvel. In 1941, Union Pacific ordered 25 massive engines for the Wasatch Mountains. They needed unparalleled power to push heavy freight uphill, and the Big Boy delivered. Throughout the 1940s and 50s, these 7,000 horsepower behemoths dominated the rails. Thanks to their clever articulated design, they bent around tight mountain curves like a giant metal snake. They became the undisputed kings of American freight. However, technology eventually moved forward. The last Big Boy was retired in 1962 as diesel engines took over. Diesel was cheaper and easier to maintain, leaving these steam giants to rust in train yards or sit quietly in museums. But the story did not end in the scrapyard. Engineer Dickens and his dedicated team spent years meticulously restoring engine 4014. Imagine trying to put together a million-pound puzzle. They took the entire machine apart piece by piece, carefully fixing decades of rust, wear, and tear to make it run safely again. Now, the locomotive is barnstorming across the U.S. to celebrate America's 250th birthday. It is drawing massive crowds of over 100,000 people who want to see history in motion. From its creation in 1941 to its triumphant return today, the Big Boy proves that incredible engineering can stand the test of time and truly capture our imagination. Why does this train matter so much today? The Big Boy is a symbol of an era when steam power built the modern world. It represents the peak of mechanical engineering before computers and digital sensors took over. Seeing it operate manually reminds us of the sheer human effort required to design, build, and maintain such a complex machine. It is a rolling history lesson that connects generations, allowing kids today to experience the exact same sights, sounds, and rumbling ground that their grandparents felt. If you want to experience the magic of steam trains yourself, you do not have to wait for the Big Boy to visit your town. You can visit a local railway museum to see historic engines up close. Many museums even offer short rides on restored trains. You can also track the Big Boy's current cross-country tour online through the Union Pacific website. Watching videos of its massive pistons moving is a great way to study how steam pressure translates into forward motion. Quick check. Here is my question. In what year was the last Big Boy steam locomotive officially retired from service? 1962. The big boy locomotive went from hauling heavy freight over steep mountains to becoming a beloved traveling museum. Its long journey shows how a piece of forgotten technology can be brought back to life to inspire millions. Next time you see a modern diesel train roll by, remember the giant steam engines that paved the way. Hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss a new Uncovered. That's the story behind how the big boy locomotive made history. Stay curious, stay kind.